Hello and welcome. Hope you guys are doing really well. So in today's video, I will show you how to add a variable product in your WooCommerce store. So if you take a look at the screen, what do I mean by variable product? Of course, you know that this is why you're watching the video, but just to clarify that, there will have different colors, there will have different sizes, and people can select any of the sizes or colors and then they can check it out. So it's just a color and size, but this can be anything else. So it's variable. So today I'll show you how you can add any type of variables and also how to configure them with different prices and pictures and everything. So let's add a product first. This is my WooCommerce dashboard here. So what I have to do now is go to the products and then add a new product. We have many different products, but we are going to use these as a variable product. So I'm just showing you that. Let's copy everything from this product. If you already have an existing product to the site, you don't have to edit again. I do not have that, so I'm adding it here. So bear with me. This is the product title. In short, I'm gonna add a little bit description. That doesn't have, consider these as a description. Basically, that's it. And then you're gonna download the picture and then add it with this. So this is the product we have here now as a picture. Then you can select any category, tags, means the keywords, but that's not the topic for today. So we are going to skip all of this. So if I put a random price now at this moment, it's 12, but it's not variable. So if I view it now currently, this is how it looks, but it's fixed $12. But now what we want, we will have the colors, we will have the sizes and different things. So now here it comes. Let's add the color first. So from the WooCommerce store, you have to go to attributes under the product. So from the attributes, let's add color and hit enter. So from here, click on configure items. Now let's say we are gonna add 3 different colors like black and then white and let's say chocolate. It's a color. So we have 3 different colors. That's it. Now we are gonna add the size. So let's say I'm calling it size or select size. That's okay. So hit enter one more time and configure the items. We have from 39 to 47. Just for now, I'm just adding 3, but similarly, you can add more. So I'm gonna do 41, hit enter, 42, hit enter, and 43, hit enter. I'm just adding this 3, but you can add more as I'm saying. So now as we have the both attributes, which is color and the size, now we need to decide which product this color and these other things should be used. As we added this product, you're going to add it with this. So click edit now. And from the attributes here, you have to search for the existing things. We have the color here and select all of the colors. And these are the colors. That's it. You have to save it, but before that, make sure to select it as a variable product because right now it's simple. So you have to make sure that you're selecting the variable product. So once you do it, now if you go to the attributes, so use it for variation and save it. Now do the same thing for the other, which is selecting the size, select all of them and make sure use it for the variation is selected. And then now save it. That's it. Then once it is saved, simply go to the variations. Now click on generate variations and OK. Now here all the variations are added. So for the black and 41 size, this is the price. Let's say I'm putting 12.30. Let's give it on a standard. This one is 31, 32, 34. I'm just showing you different prices so that you can see the difference. 45, let's say 45 again, 65. So I'm putting different prices actually. 56. That's it. Now if I save changes and come to this page here, if you reload it, now you're able to select the color. Let's say I'm selecting chocolate color and the size is 42. As you can see, it is showing the $45 because chocolate and 42 here. If you see chocolate and 42, it's $45. It is showing that. Similarly, if you select the others, it is changing the price, as you can see. So this is actually how you can add any type of variable product to your WooCommerce store. Do let me know if you have any question about about this video, and if you have any other opinion to share, do let me know. And I'm also available for any type of website design related project, or if you want paid consultancy about anything of your WordPress website, I'm available to do that. You will get all the links in the comment box or in the description. Make sure to check it out and make sure to subscribe for the new videos. Thank you.